Hello friends and welcome to Passion for Cooking. Today I am sharing recipe for veg patty for burger. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and stir fry 1 small onion finely chopped around half cup. Add paste of 2 green chilies around 1 teaspoon or more for spicy patties. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and stir fry for a minute. Now add half cup of fresh or frozen green peas, 1 small carrot grated around 1/4 cup. Add finely chopped French beans around 1/4 cup. Stir fry the veggies, cover and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mango or amchur powder, salt as per taste, around half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir fry for a minute and add 3 small to medium potatoes boiled up to 2 whistles. Do not cut the potatoes while boiling as it adds more water to potatoes and the patties would be soggy. Mash the potatoes. Potatoes should not be fully cooked. They should be little hard in the middle. Now stir fry for a minute. Cover and cook for around 2 minutes. Once the mixture is warm and easy to handle, add crumbs of 2 breads for binding. Mix with the patty mixture. Now apply oil to the plate and also to the mold. Mold is optional but can be used to make sure patty and buns are of same size. Divide the mixture into 6 equal parts. Take one part and form into a ball. Place this in the mold and press to form into a patty. Once done, remove the mold. Place the patty on cling wrap or plastic paper. Once all the patties are ready, keep them in fridge for around 30 minutes. Now dip the patties in all-purpose flour mixture. This is the paste prepared by adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to 3.5 tablespoons of water. Now put the coated patty in breadcrumbs. Coat it well from all the sides. I've used around crumbs of 2 breads. Keep the patty aside for some time. Heat oil in a pan around 1 centimeter deep. Tap the patties lightly to remove excess crumbs and fry in a pan. Fry until one side turns light brown. Splash hot oil on top of the patty. Then turn the patty to fry from other side as well. Use 2 turners if required as patties are heavy and you might end up splashing oil. Once fried from other side as well, remove from oil. Now cut the buns in 2 parts. Apply butter. Heat the pan and roast the buns. This is important because sauce and veggies have water in them, and buns end up absorbing it and then become soggy. Now take out the bun and apply some sauce. I've used tomato ketchup, you can use any sauce of your choice. Place the patty on it. Add one layer of mayo. Now you can top it with more sauce if you want, or you can skip this. Add some tomato slices, onion slices. You can also use salad leaf if you have. Then place one slice of cheese. Now place the bun and secure the burger with a toothpick. You can also make some variations like using mint mayo or using Szechuan chutney or sauce instead of tomato ketchup. So I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.